Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do as you can see from the title, I'm going to do a wig review. I'm just going to show you guys how I install my wig and also review and also give you my thoughts how I feel about this wig. Let's start. This is Mongolian wig. It's a 12-inch wig. Was sent to me by the doll factory. This is 12-inch wigs. I'm just gonna do a review and I'm gonna show you guys as well how I install it on my hair. As you can see, I did a little bit of pom pom in my head, so it's my head is not really that flat, but I'm gonna make it work. So this shouldn't stop my wig from, you know. So I'm just using a stocking. I can't find my wig cap. I'm just using stockings. Can see this is how it comes. Basically, there's a little. It's a lace front wig in a natural color. How it looks, and that's how it looks inside. And it comes with this elastic for security. I've already tried this wig. I have to tell you, this wig is effing secured when you, it's like effing tight when you put it on your head. I'm gonna show you. So what I like to do, and then I'm gonna go with my my spray, my got2b glue spray. So what I do is I spray around where my lace front is going to sit and let it dry a little bit until it becomes a little bit tacky. Then I'm just gonna put it in. And because I put the foundation, it's just like showing, like you guys, it's so like tight. So what I like to do is I'm gonna pull the baby hair, them baby hairs, just to lay my edges, honey. I use this L'Oreal Paris Extreme Hold. What I like to do is I'll put it on here just to lay those edges. Darling, this hair feels so soft. It feels so like super soft, like human hair, like a natural real human hair. Like I can even pull it. It's indestructible. It's not gonna, like, this girl makes tight. Like, I promise you, this is how good this wig it looks. It's very very nice and soft. If you love this wig, please check out my girl at please if you love this, please check out the doll factory. I'm gonna put the Instagram name somewhere here below, and I'm also gonna put the link of the Instagram account for you to get this beautiful wig. There's a lot of varieties of wigs, and the fingers at the back, it feels so soft and so smooth. This wig just makes me to go out and go party. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with friends. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you are not a subscriber, and press the bell button so you can be notified the minute I upload a new video. And I honestly appreciate the love that you guys keep on pouring, and the comments and positive um um a positive motivation really, really tremendously means a lot to me. And I thank you guys so much. See you guys next time on my next video. It's your girl Nila. I'm checking out.